Welcome to Talks Without a Map, where we get lost in thoughts that refuse to use Google Maps or Google. And today we are turning the volume up on something we usually keep silent.
Today's episode: If thoughts had a loudspeaker. But not just the funny thoughts, huh? We are rewinding to a time when emotions were raw, expressions were honest, and no one said, I'm fine, when they were falling apart inside.
Now just imagine a village square, okay? जो पंचायत बोलते हैं ना वो two neighbors fighting over a mango tree. Thoughts spoken loudly, publicly, with witnesses, and sometimes a dhoti slap for punctuation.
Basically, zero filters. Your face said it, your voice confirmed it, and your tone made sure no one missed it.
Cut to now. Okay, you are hurt. You reply with a thumbs up emoji. You are heartbroken. You post a gym selfie with the caption glow up. Beta, now that's not a glow up, that's a cover up.
Absolutely. Somewhere along the way, we started using filters, not just on selfies, but on feelings also.
We swapped I'm sad with I'm just tired. I'm angry with it's fine, no big deal. And I love you with seen at whatever time and no reply.
So, what happened, you think, Ridhima? Why did we go from these honest outbursts to emotional buffering?
I think it's evolution, but not the Darwin kind, the Instagram kind. Social media ने take over किया है अभी. So over time, society said, be nice, be strong, don't be too much, and slowly, honesty became awkward, yaar.
I think we started rehearsing our feelings instead of expressing them. It's like we're auditioning for the best adjusted human 2025 edition.
Very well said, Rohan. And let's be real, the price we pay, burnout, breakdowns, passive aggressive texts that say K. वो तो मुझे इतना गुस्सा आता है ना जब कोई
K,
के
only
भेज देता
K.
अरे ओ लिखने को क्या जाता है यार. And they write K but scream I'm disappointed in your whole existence.
Yeah.
I mean, why can't we express ourselves, be it
True,
love or
true,
be it
true.
anger तो express करते हो, तो love दिखाने में क्या
Yeah,
जाता है यार.
yeah.
Why can't you be just real?
And the classic one: your brain is screaming, I need help, but your mouth says, chai?
Yeah.
Okay, but that is
Yeah.
quite valid.
Yeah.
Sometimes chai or coffee does give you those kind of help. That kind of help, huh?
Yeah, maybe it's buying you time for to think over it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's more like comfort also, no? At
Huh.
that time. Yeah.
So let's ask this: what are the consequences of hiding real thoughts?
Firstly, you lose your voice. Voice as in like the voice that you have
Yeah.
in the society. Your needs, your joy. I think you become more of a people-pleasing person, polite robot who smiles in meetings and cries during shampoo ads.
Yeah, true. you know, Rohan, to tell you very honestly, I used to be a people pleaser, but I have decided now no more doing that because I'm losing myself. Like, when I'm pleasing people, uh, I'm thinking in on their behalf,
behalf.
and how they will be happy, and losing my happiness.
I think we have been conditioned that way.
Yeah.
Even when it comes to thoughts, we have always been conditioned that ऐसे ही बर्ताव करना चाहिए, ऐसे ही सोच आपकी होनी चाहिए. I think we have discussed this in some I think criticism or so, this
Yes,
topic, that
yes.
how the society also conditions us that we start feeling guilty for thinking in a particular way.
Right.
So imagine if our thoughts did have those kind of loudspeakers. तो क्या होता, मतलब जो भी हमें वाकई में कहना है या सोच रहे हैं हम लोग, तो स्टार्टिंग विद द होम पेरेंट्स को ही पता चल जाती है वो चीज. तो एक्चुअली इट कुड हैव बीन गुड, इट कुड हैव बर्स्ट द
Right.
bubble.
Yeah. And
what
हमारे
we
जो
feel.
इमोशंस है वो पेंट अप होते जाते हैं.
Yeah.
एंड उसका एंड रिजल्ट क्या होता है? यू आर हार्मिंग योरसेल्फ, योर मेंटल पीस इज गॉन. Okay, in order to please
Please
others.
others, yeah.
So why do that?
Yeah.
At this point in my life, I don't want to do that. I have to prioritize myself.
Yeah.
And I really feel that, love me or leave me. I am the way I am. Okay. एंड आपको अच्छा लगता है तो ठीक है, नहीं अच्छा लगता है तो ठीक है. लाइक आई एम नॉट लाइक अरे मेरा ये फ्रेंड मुझे छोड़ के चला गया या चली गई, ओके ठीक है, हम लोग के वाइब्स नहीं मिल रहे थे, ठीक है, दैट्स ओके.
But
So she's also happy, I'm also happy.
I agree, but what about, see, we can afford to say this, I still feel like, but what about some people who are in a miserable and vulnerable condition जहाँ उनको लोगों के लिए करना पड़ता है for existence.
For example?
For example, say a girl few years back, 20-30 years back, who got married into a house. She didn't have a lot of say in the house earlier also, like where she was born, and her parents married her into another household where the husband beats her and stuff like that. And that time there wasn't a lot of awareness about violence and this and that, and she's not allowed to even earn money. And she doesn't have a house to go back to also anyway. So that's the reason why this woman has suffered, and she has
Yes.
so she doesn't have a say.
Yeah.
So if her thoughts were to be out like a loudspeaker, then तो उसको मार ही डालते ना.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
True. But you know, again, as you said, that we have been conditioned like that कि बड़ों से ऐसे बात नहीं करते, या फिर हस्बैंड के साथ ऐसे ही बिहेव करना चाहिए, इन लॉज के साथ ऐसे ही बिहेव करना चाहिए. सी टू सम एक्सटेंट ठीक है कि बाबा घर में झगड़े नहीं होने चाहिए, इसके लिए यू हैव बीन टॉट लाइक दैट, बट उसका मिसयूज भी होता है. देन यू हैव टू रेज योर वॉइस, राइट?
Of course.
एंड वो पहले नहीं था, बट आई एम हैप्पी इन टूडेज टाइम्स, लाइक यू नो, girls are raising their voice,
Yeah.
at least in urban areas.
Yeah.
Maybe
Yeah.
in villages वैसे ही होगी conditions.
Depends.
हाँ, वो भी अभी मेरे ख्याल से बहुत improve हो रही
Yeah.
है.
Yeah.
But I feel, you know, the more you are open or you're vocal, it's good, na?
Of course. Like my mama always tells me that a generation before yours,
Yeah.
maybe the ones like your parents' generation were very frank.
Yes, they
when
were.
it came to their opinions, when it came to expressing something, like they will on your face they'll tell you, oh I didn't like this, ye itna acha nahi hai.
Yeah.
Or they will just tell you kitna sundar hai, you know. They'll express that also.
Yeah.
And your generation again stuck somewhere in between.
Right.
And then comes our generation who has been taught to be very polished and
always positive
and very formal, semi-formal, let's just say, and everything has to be quite articulate. Everything has to be well spoken, everything has to be, you know, your demeanor and your body language has to be in a particular way.
Yeah.
So that the identity has is lost, you know, because we are all being taught in a uniform way that you should
Right.
behave this way, should think this way.
Yeah.
So this is what I've seen over the generations when it comes to thoughts.
Right.
So दो उन लोगों के thoughts को वैसे भी लाउड स्पीकर्स थे, मतलब वो बोलते ही थे outrightly. Then later came your generation who was like, अरे बोलूँ या ना बोलूँ, लेकिन वो अंदर रह जाता था and all of that. And then came our generation who has completely filtered those things only.
Right.
I feel like मतलब I doubt if my thoughts are also sometimes that way, जैसे होने चाहिए. Thoughts वैसे ही regulate हो रहे हैं जैसे सीखे हैं हमने.
Okay.
God knows if naturally I'm getting those kind of thoughts, how they should be regulated
Yeah,
at that time.
yeah.
It has its pros also, obviously, so that
Yeah.
you're emotionally less drained at
Yeah.
times, and you are ready to face challenges या जो भी in a more practical sense. But वो natural नहीं हुआ देना. I also feel like yeah, that's how it is.
अभी मुझे कुछ चीज़ अगर अच्छी नहीं लगती है, and if I don't speak out about that, you know, what happens is, you know, I feel very suffocated, and once it's out of the system,
Yeah.
then I'm okay.
Correct.
I mean, then later I don't even remember ki what was I upset about. And you know, my relationship with my children, like we talk openly, but when I'm angry, I hold myself back for that moment because I don't want something which I shouldn't have said.
Yeah, you spill out something.
Yeah. But I tell them later, see this thing I didn't like, and I don't agree with this. So ऐसे मैं बोल देती हूँ. But you know, with outsiders, it becomes difficult at times.
Correct.
But then that since I'm holding back, you know, that affects me.
Yeah.
Okay, but that I share with my kids कि ऐसा ऐसा हुआ था, this I didn't like, ये वो.
So you're expressing it somewhere.
Yeah, I'm expressing it.
But when you express it there and then, it definitely gives you great amount of relief, no matter what its repercussions are.
Yes.
जैसे अगर मैं कोई बुरा बर्ताव कर रहा है तो मैं उसके मुंह पे ही बोल दूँ ना something, maybe he'll speak more 4 words,
Yeah.
but I'll feel damn good that
yeah.
listen, I told him this.
Yeah.
And you can always speak in a good fashion also. It's
Yeah.
not necessary that you have to be rude or you have to
This
be
reminds me
particular way.
of that scene, from Jab We Met. You
हाँ,
remember
हाँ, हाँ.
that Karina's ex-boyfriend?
कुत्ते, something to that say. सुअर की औलाद,
Yeah,
something.
yeah,
Yeah. That's love. She
Yeah,
starts
see,
feeling good after
yeah,
that. You know,
yeah.
that's how it is.
Yeah.
So imagine, I was just thinking right now, what if we said this outrightly, that I'm jealous, I'm
Haan.
insecure,
Haan.
I'm not okay today. So
Haan.
you think the world will end if we
The thing
express
is,
these
what I
things?
feel, because we don't talk and because there is preconceived notion about what this person must be thinking, I think this all creates this jealousy, insecurity, because we are thinking something on that person's behalf. That person may not be thinking in the same fashion.
Correct.
ओके
Correct.
और इससे वो सब मसाला चालू होता है
हाँ.
एंड आई थिंक दैट गिव्स राइज टू जेलसी, insecurity.
Insecurity for sure. Jealousy, I think, arises when you wish you had something that the other person has. If you don't have something, if there is something lacking, or there is a shortcoming in you or your life, and the other person has it, then jealousy takes birth.
लेकिन
That's how it
jealousy
is.
क्यों होनी चाहिए, वही मुझे नहीं समझ.
Because you don't have something, and
But
again the
then you
society
try to
is
get that, na? And if you tell that person, even I want this kind of thing,
Yeah,
can you
but-
help me?
But Riddhima, not everyone is like you, no? That's how it is. See, I have never felt jealous. I'm not trying to
Yeah.
boast myself or
Yeah.
whatever, but I've felt envious at times.
Huh.
Because there are times when I work hard, when I do something equally as someone else, and that person comes out with flying colors with the same amount of efforts, and so I feel little sense of envy. But I never feel bad for him.
Yeah, of course.
I mean,
Same
I don't
here.
have any bad feelings for
Yeah.
him or her.
Yeah.
I don't feel jealous that अरे इसको क्यों है यार ऐसे that way. But I feel envious at times. अरे यार काश मेरे पास भी होता.
हाँ.
That you definitely feel. But imagine if I do feel envy and if I convey it to that person, then that person might give me a different perspective altogether.
Yes.
Like, listen, Rohan, you might feel this way, but you don't know what I have gone through, and you don't know what I am envious about.
Yeah.
Maybe
And
I
grass
envy
is
you
greener on
the
the
other
side.
side.
Yeah.
He may say that, listen, Rohan, but I envy this thing about you, and I wish I had it. You know, then your perspective immediately changes after that. So हमारे thoughts को loudspeakers हो भी ना, तो वो अच्छा होगा मेरे ख्याल से. मतलब जो भी आपको बोलना है पूरे दिल से अगर आप साफ उसे कर लोगे ना उस चीज़ को, तो आप थोड़े हल्के हो जाओगे. They will be much better than what you go
I
through.
agree 100%. And like हम लोग ने बात की थी जैसे सैंडविच क्रिटिसिज्म, वैसे
करो ना.
करो वैसे.
Those are tactics to handle all these things.
पर अभी तक मुझे लेकिन ये समझ में नहीं आता है कि like why people don't express love when they can express anger.
Absolutely.
I mean, what holds them back to express? I mean, why is this? It always intrigues me. Like ऐसा क्यों है?
I think is showing love a kind of weakness, that you are lesser or something like that. I don't know. This maybe is what people think. Again, this is what we have been conditioned. तो ऐसे thoughts ही जहन में नहीं आते कि इसको ना express करके कुछ appreciate कर लेते हैं.
Yeah.
Sometimes what happens is, especially between a guy and a girl, if I try to appreciate her, then she might take it in the wrong way. Is what the guy feels. Maybe she won't.
She
Even
won't.
if I tell her like, listen, you're looking very beautiful today.
Yeah.
But I'll hold that back.
हाँ.
Yeah, see, she might feel great if I tell her.
Yeah.
There's nothing going to happen between us, but still I can express it to her.
Of course.
Yeah. तो I might feel अरे उसे कुछ गलत लगेगा कि मेरे कुछ गलत intentions हैं.
नहीं, but at the receiver's end also, why people are not that broad-minded कि बाबा हाँ
Again,
genuinely
this-
I'm looking good, so and he's appreciating
Yeah.
it. There's no like underlying उसमें कुछ नहीं.
Especially if either of them is married, तो
Yeah.
और भी ज़्यादा हो सकता है insecurity. It's all, I think it's all conditioned.
Yeah.
ये सब चीज़ें ऐसी होती है.
Yeah.
But again, if like I said, if thoughts do have a loudspeaker, ये सब बंद हो जाएगा.
हाँ.
we will start feeling much more lighter, liberated and just good about
Yeah.
everyone else also, not just
Yeah.
about our own selves.
Yeah.
तो because we carry that baggage.
Yeah.
If अगर मुझे किसी को डांटना है, किसी को कुछ बोलना है, तो nowadays on WhatsApp also like, listen, let's meet on this day, or are you free now to talk? We keep on texting
Yes.
this, तो we keep on pushing certain things, procrastinate करने लग गए हम लोग. तो वही के वही अगर मैं बोल दूँ, So there is always you still have time to do other things then, rather than carrying that baggage.
Exactly.
And all of that. So
Yeah.
ये advantages है. There is a Marathi film, Agabai Arecha.
I haven't watched.
Yeah, it's inspired from a Hollywood film. I forgot the name of the Hollywood film. In that, he starts hearing ladies' voices.
Acha.
Every female voice around him. Like what the female is trying to, speak in their minds or about him, etc. All of that just goes around and on.
Oh.
And he gets bugged totally
अच्छा.
in that. So वो भी हो सकता है that
हाँ,
इतना अगर हम thoughts किसी के receive कर रहे हैं या सुन रहे हैं, then you will get bugged, no, after a
Yeah.
point of time.
Yeah.
So that's also how it is.
I find it damn cute whenever I visit my native place, like वहाँ पे वो लोग नहीं filter करते हैं, जो भी है बोल देते हैं, and we also give them this advantage कि हाँ ये गाँव वाले हैं ना, तो इन लोग को कुछ इतना बात करने का ढंग नहीं है ये, but they are so like इतने free लगते हैं ना कि जो भी आता है मुंह में बोल देते हैं.
हाँ.
और हम लोग का अभी नाउ मुझे टोनालिटी का बहुत प्रॉब्लम आता है. अगर तू कुछ आई मीन यू आर ट्राइंग टू टेल मी समथिंग एंड इफ योर टोन इज नॉट गुड देन इट अपसेट्स मी.
Of course.
Yeah.
Of course.
So probably maybe we can use a good tone and express our feelings. That could be better.
Any day.
And-
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. Also, when it comes to kids, I think kids are born innocent,
Yeah.
right? So kids के thoughts अगर हम सुन पाएंगे ना तो बेहतर होगा. Sometimes there's a lot we can learn from kids. Also when it comes to their thinking, हमें अच्छी तरह से पता चल जाएगा कि उनके interest कहाँ, where they lie.
Yeah.
Whether it is studies, whether it is sports, whether it is recreational activities, whether it is they're trying to convey something about their parents or what they like to eat and not. तो life मेरे ख्याल से parents के लिए भी
Yeah.
थोड़ी अच्छी हो
Yeah.
जाएगी, because kids remain kids till the time they are on their own
Yeah.
feet and they start earning. तब तक वो
Right.
kids ही रहते हैं all in our households. तो वो kids के
और उनको
perspective से
थेरेपीज की वगैरह फिर जरूरत भी नहीं
हाँ.
पड़ेगी.
I feel like so this will be so good for their upbringing
Yes.
also. They won't grow up in a toxic environment and they will be free to express. And बाकी के लोग भी समझ सकते हैं कि उनके जहन में क्या है, उनके मन में क्या है, and what they are trying to express, etc.
No, we are not saying go shout every thought like a megaphone on steroids, but maybe, just maybe, let some thoughts escape the draft folder. What's it, Rohan?
Speak them, even if they are messy, even if your voice shakes this way, because some truths deserve the stage.
Yes. And if your thoughts are too wild, just start a podcast. That's what I did.
Like us,
Yes.
when no thought is off limits and every feeling finds a mic.
Yes. Rohan, when I started my solo podcast, I started expressing everything on the podcast.
Correct.
Okay, and that made me so liberated. There were so many hidden pent up emotions, and then इतने सारे जो थे ना मैं podcast में बोलने लगी. And then of course after you met and when we started our podcast, it became all the more merrier.
I second that.
Yes.
So that was Talks Without a Map, where literally we are preaching that let your thoughts come out without a map, literally as they are, as organic as they are. Maybe they could help you.
So next time when your brain says something real, don't mute it, don't mask it. Just ask, is this worth hearing out loud?
Absolutely. Till then, stay curious, stay kind, and don't be afraid of your own voice. It might be the most honest thing you own.